It is time once again for The Law and You, featuring award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. And I understand there's a very special birthday that we should be talking about, perhaps?
21 today.
You're 21 again?
21, yep.
You look great for 21.
How about it?
You have to share some of your secrets with Greg. All right, let's get to our question today. This involves a little bit of an issue here during surgery. I was at my doctor and he told me I needed a procedure on my nose. He never told me that my sense of taste could be affected. I lost my sense of taste as a result of the surgery. I would never have done the surgery if I knew. This is from JW in Bloomsburg. What's the deal with this one?
Well, JW, I mean, what you're talking about here is a specific type of medical malpractice case called an informed consent case. And basically what that means is anytime somebody goes to a doctor, the doctor has an obligation to tell you about the risks of that particular procedure. You know, one of them being death could be a risk, nerve damage. And if the loss of your sense of taste is a risk of that particular procedure, and that it would affect your decision to undergo that procedure, the doctor has an obligation to tell you that. And if the doctor didn't tell you that, and you had to undergo that procedure, and this happened, and you wouldn't have done it otherwise, then you do have an informed consent, case against this particular doctor. If it wasn't an emergency. If you had an emergency situation, that's a little bit different. Assuming it's not an emergency, you potentially have a case here.
And again, this would be a form-based case, so what that would mean is you got to get your records, like we say it all the time. Anytime in these medical malpractice cases, we need to get the records to see if there's an informed consent form, and then any of the other corresponding notes with the procedure that you would do at the hospital, at his office. Any of those notes would be relevant. So obviously, you got to get those, get to an attorney, and find out what if you have a case or not. But again, time's ticking, 2-year statute of limitations. You don't want to wait.
Our viewers who may need some direction or maybe some legal advice, how can they reach you guys?
They can call us at 570-714-HURT or see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page, Twitter feed, Google+, Snapchat. We have them all. And Dave, the secret is clean living.
Clean living.
Clean living.
Just watch out for Ed as he Snapchats later today
Yes.
for the birthday celebration.
Absolutely.
All right, Results Matter attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. We'll see you next time.
We'll see you tomorrow.
PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline are open to get a question here on the show.